Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson Boli. In our previous session, we came to know that after seeing the money, Bishambarnath decided to marry Boli, and he was about to put garland around the neck of Boli. But Boli had thrown that garland into the fire, and she said that she would not marry such mean, greedy, contemptible and coward person. Now let us continue the lesson. What a shameless girl. We all thought she was harmless dumb cow. Boli turned violently on the old woman. Yes, auntie, you are right. You all thought I was a dumb driven cow. That's why you wanted to hand me over to this heartless creature. But now a dumb cow, the stammering fool, is speaking. Do you want to hear more? Then an old lady, she said, what a shameless girl. We thought she was a harmless dumb cow. An old lady said, she is a shameless girl, and we thought that she was a harmless dumb cow. Dumb cow means here a silent person. Okay. Dumb driven or dumb cow means here silent person. We thought she was a silent girl. Boli turned violently on the old woman. Then Boli turned towards that old lady in a violent manner, in an angry manner. Yes, auntie, you are right. You all thought I was a dumb driven cow. Yes, you are right. You thought I was a dumb driven cow. I was a very silent person. I was a speechless person. Okay. That's why you wanted to hand me over to this heartless creature. That's why you people wanted to hand me over to this heartless creature. Okay. Heartless creature means here Bishambarnath. But now the dumb cow, the stammering fool is speaking. But now the dumb cow, whom you thought a speechless person who can't speak, that person is speaking now. The stammering fool, one who was stammering, that person is speaking. Do you want to hear more? Is it enough, or do you want to hear more? She asked in a rough voice to that old lady. Bishambarnath, the grocer, started to go back with his party. The confused bandsman thought this was the end of ceremony and struck up a closing song. Then Bishambarnath, the grocer who wanted to marry Boli, started to go back with his party. He left that place. The confused bandsman thought this was the end of ceremony. The group of musicians who came, they confused and they thought it was the end of ceremony, and they struck up a closing song. They struck up means they began a closing song. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground, his head bowed low with the weight of grief and shame. Ramlal stood rooted. Rooted means he was fixed in one place. He was not making movement. Okay. Ramlal stood rooted to the ground, his head bowed low with the weight of grief and shame. His head bowed low with the weight of grief. Grief means extreme sadness and shame. Okay. The flames of the sacred fire slowly died down. Everyone was gone. Ramlal turned to Boli and said, but what about you? No one will ever marry you now. What shall we do with you? Yes, the flames of the sacred fire, it was slowly died down. Okay. And everyone was gone. Ramlal turned to Boli and said, he turned towards Boli and said, but what about you? No one will ever marry you now. No one will marry you now. What will you do? What shall we do with you? Like this, Ramlal asked to Boli. And Suleika said in a voice that was calm and steady, don't you worry, Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you. I will serve you and mother. And I will teach in the same school where I learnt so much. Isn't that right, ma'am? See here. Then Suleika, see here, for the first time her real name is used. Till then, throughout the lesson, her name was Boli. Here, the real name of that girl is used, Suleika. Suleika said in the voice that was calm and steady. In a calm and steady. Steady means firm, strong voice, she said, don't you worry, Pitaji. You don't worry, Pitaji. In your old age, I will serve you and mother. In your old age, I will serve you and mother. I will teach in the same school where I learned so much. And I will become a teacher. And I will serve in the same school where I learned so much. Where I learned so much things. In that school only I want to teach. Isn't that right, ma'am? She asked. Ma'am. Ma'am means here her teacher. Isn't that right, ma'am? The teacher had all along stood in the corner watching the drama. The teacher, she came to attend that marriage. She was standing in a corner and she was observing and she was watching the drama. Here drama means in the sense of the whole event. Okay, she was observing the whole event. Yes, Boli, of course, she replied. Yes, this is the right thing. This is the right decision. Yes, of course, she replied. And in her smiling eyes was the light of deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. See here. And in her smiling eyes was the light of deep satisfaction. In her eyes there was a deep satisfaction, as if she had achieved something that an artist feels when contemplating the completion of her masterpiece. When an artist completes his or her masterpiece, then what kind of joy will be there? Such kind of joy or happiness was there in the eyes of the teacher. See here. And her smiling eyes was the light of deep satisfaction that an artist feels when contemplating. Contemplating means to meditation or to study or to view or consider with continued attention. Yes, after completion of a masterpiece, the artist constantly looks at his masterpiece. Masterpiece means great work. It may be writing or it may be drawing, anything. Okay, the great work of an artist, that is called masterpiece. After completion of the work, when the artist is looking towards his art, or masterpiece constantly, that time what kind of satisfaction will be there? Such kind of satisfaction the teacher was feeling at that moment. Boli was her masterpiece. Boli was the masterpiece of that teacher. She shaped her such a bold and wonderful personality who was completely neglected by the whole society, whole family. Now she was a self-assertive and bold girl. This occurred because of the effort of the teacher. So, in reality, Boli was the masterpiece of that teacher. Okay? Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.